Hello everybody, this is Naina. Today we're recording a video. In this video, we're going to break down ACCA completely. Here we're going to talk about the number of exams, the level of exams, the difficulty level, and also the tips that will be useful for you in writing the exams. So let's start off with what ACCA actually is. The Association of Chartered Certified Accountants is a global degree. In this particular degree, we have 13 papers. Okay, each paper is divided into different sections. One, the knowledge level, one, the skill level, and finally the professional level. Okay, we'll discuss a little more in depth about this now. Let's start off with knowledge level papers. Knowledge level has 3 papers: business and technology, management accounting, and financial accounting. These are the entry level papers. These exams are computer based and on demand exams, meaning you can write it any time of the year that you wish for. You don't have to wait for every session to write this one. These exams are based completely on MCQs. You don't have to write any typing things at all. Next, we have applied skills level. Skills level has 6 exams in it. Now, the first exam of the skills level is similar to the knowledge level exams because this is an MCQ level exam again, and also you can write it on demand. Okay, the remaining 5 papers are all written in sessions. So ACCA conducts exam in 4 different sessions in a year. Each year you can write 8 exams maximum. The 6 knowledge level exams are corporate and business law, performance management, taxation, financial reporting, financial management, and audit and assurance. Now, finally, let's come to the professional level papers. Professional level papers are papers that show you the real world application to these skills. These don't have one MCQ also. This is completely constructed response answers. This one has 4 exams, out of which 2 are optional and 2 are compulsory. 2 compulsory papers are SBL, which is Strategic Business Leader, and SBR, which is Strategic Business Reporting. Out of the final exams, you have to write 4 exams. 4 exams you can write from the 6 options that you get, out of which 2 exams are compulsory and the remaining 4 are optional. What is the meaning of remaining 4 are optional now? Out of 4 exams, you can choose to write just 2 exams. What are the 4 exams? Advanced Performance Management, Advanced Financial Management, Advanced Taxation, and Advanced Audit and Assurance. Out of these 4, you can just write the 2 exams that you specialize in. These exams are completely case study based and scenario based. So they're preparing you for the real world scenarios and also how to deal with situations when it arises during your job. Okay, coming to the next part, we have exam patterns. Here we'll talk about the general exam format. Now, timing. Most of the exams range from 2 hours to 3 hours. Each of it has a passing mark of 50 out of 100 marks which you need to attempt. First, let's come to applied knowledge level. These are completely MCQ questions which you can complete very easily, and like I said, the 4th paper, which is corporate law, can also be added into this. And these are computer based on demand exams. Coming to the second one, which is applied skills, this is a mixture of both MCQ and long exam questions. And finally, we have professional papers, which is completely constructed response based. Now, coming to the exam sessions and registration. What is the meaning of this? Every year, ACCA conducts 4 sessions, which happens in March, June, September, and December. Each of these times, you can write your ACCA papers after 4th paper. So, paper number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the remaining 4 professional papers can be written in these 4 sessions. If you miss out on the deadlines, however, late fees may apply. So, register on time. Now guys, coming to the main topic for which you watch the whole video, which is the tips and tricks. Tips and tricks to pass in the exam. Firstly, you'll have to understand the whole syllabus thoroughly. What is the meaning of this? Now when you're writing the paper, if you complete the 100% of paper, there's a 90% chance that you will pass, because until and unless you know the whole syllabus, you will not be able to complete the paper. Okay. Secondly, how will you know how to finish the whole paper, the whole syllabus, etc. is by solving mock papers, by solving past papers. Go through every possible exam that you can get. Okay. Finally, we go with typing skills, which is very, very important because time management is the most essential virtue that is required when you're writing ACCA paper. Since you have to type everything, I suggest do not go with spreadsheets. Go directly with the CBE platform, which is available in ACCA, and they will help you exactly to understand what the exam interface is. Finally, you can join study groups because they will help you understand what they know better. So you can do your papers by yourself also, but then why will you go through all the hard work and go through everything when you have everything available in your arms? So guys, finally I want to tell you that ACCA is a stepping stone to a successful finance career. Understanding the exam pattern gives you a solid start. If you're preparing for ACCA and are looking for expert guidance, check out ArivuPro's complete ACCA coaching online or offline. If you want more details, please reach out to the number below.